Welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link EA account to Twitch. Keep watching the video till the end. To link your EA account to Twitch, firstly open your Google search. Type in ea.com/Twitch linking and make a search. Log into your Twitch account by entering your username and password associated with Twitch, and on the next page, click on Authorize. To link your Twitch account with your EA account, you need to log into your EA account as well. So, enter your phone number or email address and password associated with your EA account and tap on Login. Tap on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. After logging into your EA account, it will link into your Twitch account automatically. This is how you can link EA account to Twitch quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.